how to adjust camera tone, color, and palette on iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. First, let's go back to the home screen and open up the camera app. Next, in here, make sure you select photo and then swipe up here to open up this menu, or you can tap on the more button at the top. Next, tap on styles. Then at the top here, you can choose a photo style. So select a photo style. It can be standard or vibrant or another style. Okay, so let's say I choose dramatic. Down here, there will be a box. So if you drag on this box right here, it will allow you to adjust the color and tones of the pictures. Now you can see here, if I drag the dot, the white dot around the square, it will change the color. And to change the palette, you can drag on the slider bar down here to change the palette. And you can see here, when I drag on it, it will change the palette color. And here, when I drag on this, it will change the tone and the color of the picture. And that's it. Once you're happy, you can tap on the shutter button to take the photo. Down here will allow you to reset back to the default settings. Tapping on the close will close that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.